To disable TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we will need to go to settings. However, if you don't know how to navigate on the phone, so essentially if you want to, for example, scroll to the next page, or if you want to scroll up in order to go to the app drawer, you want to use 2 fingers instead of just 1. So essentially any swiping gesture can be now done by using 2 fingers instead of just 1. So we can swipe up like this. Now we can tap on settings once to select it and then double tap in order to go over here. Let me actually close this so I can guide you how to go there. There we go. So once you are in settings, you want to scroll down until you find accessibility, and of course once again scroll down with 2 fingers. So tap on accessibility and then double tap to go over here. Tap on a TalkBack once and then once again double tap, then tap on this switcher and double tap, select turn off and double tap, and finally TalkBack is disabled, and once again you can use just 1 finger for gestures. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!